Hello friends, welcome to Artificial Intelligence video tutorial series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood that artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science which deals with building intelligent agents which can be able to think intelligently like humans, can be able to solve problems and evolve by themselves. Artificial intelligence is all about building intelligent agents. Then what is an intelligent agent? In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss what is an intelligent agent. Intelligent agent is a program or a software which perceives its environment through sensors, thinks intelligently and acts upon that environment through its actuators. Intelligent agent is a program or a software installed in a machine which perceives or observes its environment through sensors, thinks intelligently and acts upon that environment through its actuators. Sensors are going to be used to receive the input from the environment, whereas actuators are used to perform actions on the environment or produce output. Here I have a diagram to explain what is an agent or intelligent agent. We know that intelligent agent or agent is a software installed in a machine which perceives the environment through its sensors, thinks intelligently and acts upon the environment through its actuators. The agent is going to receive inputs from the environment through its sensors and acts upon the environment or performs actions on the environment based on the received input through its actuators. Any agent carries three key tasks continuously in an infinite loop or a cycle. They are sense, think and act. Sense, think and act. Sense, think and act, which is actually called as sense, think, act cycle or perception, action cycle. Perception, action, perception, action, perception, action. So any agent is going to follow sense, think and act cycle or perception, action cycle. Let's have an example and understand more better. I told you in the previous video tutorials that robotics agent, game agent, trading agents, etc. are examples for intelligent agents. Here we are going to discuss robotics agent. We know that robots are made of different components like cameras, microphones, touchscreen, balance sensors, distance sensors, motors, speakers, etc., etc., etc. Cameras, microphones, touchscreen, balance sensors, distance sensors, etc. are considered as sensors. Motors, speakers are considered as actuators or effectors. Here I have a robot. The responsibility of this robot is to pick up this red cube and place it on top of stack of orange cubes. The stack of orange cubes and the red cube is going to be an environment for this robot, and the software installed in this robot is considered as robotics agent. The robotics agent is going to perceive the environment through its sensors like camera, distance sensors, etc. and performs the action on the environment through its actuators like motors in this case. The motors are used to rotate these joints. The robotics agent is going to receive the input from the environment through its sensors and thinks intelligently so that in a minimum number of steps efficiently the robot can be able to pick up this red cube and place it on top of stack of orange cubes. So the robotics agent is going to guide the robot legs and arms so that the robot can pick this red cube and place on top of the stack of orange cubes in an efficient way. If you compare the robotics agent with the human agent or humans, cameras are like eyes, microphones are like ears, touchscreen is like skin, speakers are like mouth. Microphones are used to receive sound as an input. Touchscreen is used to receive the touch inputs. Balance sensors are used to check the balance of the robot. Distance sensors are used to check the distance between two objects or the distance between the another object and the robot itself in the environment. Speakers are used to produce the sound as an output, right? Motors are used to rotate these joints so that the robot can move forward and backward. The robot arm can pick up the objects in the environment, etc. So here the robot agent is going to follow sense, think and act cycle, or perception and action cycle, perception action cycle. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is an intelligent agent or an agent. An agent is a program or a software installed in a machine which perceives its environment through sensors, thinks intelligently like humans, you can say, acts upon that environment through its actuators. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. In the next video tutorial, we get more information on artificial intelligence. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.